Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Obviously I'm back with a hair mask video. Someone actually recommended this hair mask, so I said, you know what, let me go and try it out. As you guys can see right now, my hair is looking dry and brittle. I literally had my hair up in a bun for a whole week. That's not good, I know that, but I just didn't know what to do with my hair. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the aloe vera hair mask. I'm super excited and I can't wait for you guys to see the final results. This hair mask is the ish. This is the GOAT, okay? So let's jump right into the details of an aloe vera mask. I got my aloe vera plant from a West Indian store. I believe some grocery stores do carry this. And then I'm going to be mixing it with my Jamaican black castor oil. Guys, this right here is the most purest, richest, realest Jamaican black castor oil that you will ever come across, that you will ever get. This is not your typical JBCO, like those ones that they sell in the store. Compared to this, it doesn't even compare. This is Jamaican black castor oil in its rawest form. I love it. This is the only castor oil that I use. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product, you guys can check out Rooted Treasure on Instagram. I just love how amazing this product is. It is so rich, like it doesn't get any more natural than this. Just the consistency and everything is so nice. It's not too thick. It is a little on the heavier side, but a little does go a long way. So I'm mixing these two together because castor oil, as you may know, is like an excellent treatment that helps to boost hair growth, and it also adds volume to your hair. So when you add this with the aloe vera, it helps to stimulate hair regrowth, and it also curbs hair fall. So I'm just going to be cutting off the sharp or pointy ends on the aloe vera plant, and then I'm going to be slicing it in the middle. With the aloe vera plant, I know some people do blend this. I think I'm going to try that next time because doing this just took way too long, and I felt like I had to like poke holes in the aloe vera just to get all that nutrient and all that juice out. And I feel like if it was blended, it would just have been easier to apply. So that's what I'm going to do next time. So now I'm just going to be sectioning my hair into 4 sections just because I find that it's easier to work in sections whenever you're literally applying products, treatments, any type of anything to your hair. I'm going to be working in 4 sections, and then I'm going to be using my hair tie that I got from Shanique. If you guys have not supported her already, she has a online shop that you guys can go and check out. I have the direct link and as well as a discount code in my description box down below. This is literally one of my favorite hair ties, the only hair tie I use at the moment, just because it's amazing on the hair, and it's just really, it's a great. So yeah, I had to poke some holes into the aloe vera just to get like that jelly and that juice out. I think the next time I'm actually going to scrape the aloe vera off and blend it. I've seen some people do that. I'm going to try it that way next time just to see if it will speed up the process and just be easier to apply, because doing it this way, I literally used like a whole aloe vera leaf for my whole hair. I never knew I was going to need that much, and I felt like I did waste some, so the next time I'm definitely going to have to try and blend it. So yeah, I just applied it mainly on my scalp, and then whatever was left, I work it down to my from the scalp to the ends of my hair. And then I really made sure that when I was applying the product after, I was really working it in and that I was massaging my scalp. By the way, I am doing this on dirty hair, so this is more of like a pre-poo before I go in and shampoo my hair. So it's like a pre-treatment, yeah, you get what I mean. So aloe vera has a lot of great benefits. I highly recommend that you just don't go off of what I'm saying. Don't go off of what anyone is saying. Always do your own research. That's what I did before I went and tried this treatment on my hair. I've used aloe vera before on my skin when I had like bad acne. And I'm surprised I never even thought to even use it in my hair. So let's get into the nitty gritty about aloe vera. So aloe vera is known to have like rich enzymes that help to repair, heal, and regenerate your damaged cells that's in your scalp, and this will help to improve follicle health. Aloe vera has been found to control hair breakage and minimize hair loss as well, which ensures that you have voluminous, thick hair. And I also heard that people use this as a leave-in conditioner. I did not know that. Honestly, when I was applying this to my hair, as you guys can see, my hair is like dry and it's so tangled. The aloe vera actually helped to soften my hair up a bit, and you can see some of my curls coming through as well. Aloe vera also can be used to help treat dandruff and prevent flaking. That's just because it has like antiviral and antifungal properties in it. And the protein, minerals, and vitamins present in the aloe vera have also been observed to nourish hair follicles and also boost hair growth. Yes, it also helps to boost hair growth. Yeah, so if you're someone who is suffering from dandruff or a flaky scalp, highly recommend that you try out the aloe vera hair mask. And you can also add like different stuff to it. Like you guys are gonna see me go in with some Jamaican black castor oil with this hair mask. I've seen other people use different types of oil. As I said, do your research, find what best works for you. Don't just go off what other people say, because what may work for them may not work for you. So the gel extracted from the aloe vera has incredible anti-inflammatory effects that will help to soothe the scalp and reduce irritation. Once I was finished applying the aloe vera to my hair, I just gave my scalp a nice massage, just because massaging the scalp really helps to promote hair growth. And as well as, since this was my most problem area, I just really want to focus and make sure the product was really worked in. And I'm also going to be adding some Jamaican black castor oil to this treatment, just because I really love Jamaican black castor oil. Black castor oil has a lot of great benefits. It increases blood flow to the scalp. It supplies valuable nutrients to the hair follicles. It helps to prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. And this product can be used on any hair type. It is thick. This is literally the only brand that I use. Rooted Treasure is literally the best and most purest and richest Jamaican black castor oil you'll ever find. I guarantee you, once you try it, you'll never go back to any other Jamaican black castor oil. If you guys want to try out or want to know where I got this product from, check my description box down below. Highly recommend this black castor oil, just because it's the most purest and the most realest black castor oil you'll ever come across. So after I made it sit in my hair for about half an hour, I just hopped in the shower and rinsed it out. After I rinsed it out, my hair felt so soft, so moisturized. After literally I shampooed, conditioner, no deep condition, nothing, and my hair felt amazing. The aloe vera mask definitely did its thing to my hair. My hair felt so moisturized, my curls were so bouncy, my hair was so shiny. Highly recommend that you go and try out this hair mask. And then I just continue to style my hair as usual. So I did go in back with a little bit of the Jamaican black castor oil, just because I like to seal everything in. I feel like oils help to seal all the products that you apply into your hair. And usually I air dry my hair, but for this process or that day, I just went in and diffused for a little. I didn't fully diffuse my hair. I just diffused for about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. And then I just let it continue to air dry throughout the day. So this was the final result. My hair was still a little damp. But guys, look how amazing my hair looks. Like, my curls are slowly coming back. If you've been following me for a while on my social media, you see I've been complaining about my hair. My hair looks, it feels amazing. I was so happy. The aloe vera mask is definitely going to be added to my curly hair routine. I'm just so excited about this new regimen that I found. But this is the final result. As I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took something away from it as well. If you guys have tried this out, let me know down below. If you are going to try this out, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video.